Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagaya yung pag-edit ni Ariana Grande sa photos niya. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nagugulol. So yun, ginaya ko kasi yung photos niya in some way. And I found one application na parang super daling gamitin na parang mayroong Fujifilm. So if you're down with that, please keep on watching. So first things first, punta muna tayo sa Instagram feed ni Ariana Grande. Then I'll be sharing with you the photos that struck me na parang super galing ng edit or if it's taken with Polaroid talaga. So super ganda talaga ng photos na pinopost ni Ariana Grande. Ayan, parang vintage and then Polaroid. Ito, ayan, super Polaroid, diba? And then here, Polaroid din. Hindi ko alam kung talaga kung ina-edit niya to or if may editor siya or if it's taken with Polaroids, then she shares it on her Instagram. Then one thing I noticed is she takes photos in a dark room and then always take your photos with a flash if you're gonna copy her feed or if you're gonna copy a vintage or Polaroid theme feed. So yan. Diba? Ayan. And then here I'll be sharing with you the application. It's called Nomo. It's available in the App Store and Google Store. It's free, guys, so super ganda. And then what I love about this one is you can take a photo. So, sample time. And once you take a photo, you can come here in the lower right and yung black one. So magpupunta siya dun sa likod. And then yung photo mo is magde-develop here. So once you click your photo, if gusto mo siya mag-develop na mas mabilis, you can shake it. Diba, super cute na application. Parang super cute tignan na parang mayroong Polaroid sa phone mo. And then, para malaman mo if super developed na siya, is lalabas tong arrow down below and then you have to click that para mapunta siya sa gallery mo. Oh my God, lapad ng mukha ko here. So, pagpunta mo sa gallery, ayan, andun siya sa Nomo. Ayan, nag-practice na ako. So, may mga photos yan, mga pinag-practicean ko. Ayan. Andito na siya. And super maganda dito is parang meron na siyang Instax border na parang Instax talaga. And super cute nun for me kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga na parang alam ng tao na Instax vintage film yung pinagkuhanan ko. And then what I love about this application is pag wala kang parang film na mag-picture or meron kang photo na parang gusto mong gawing Polaroid, you just have to click this upper left na yellow na parang may film. And then take your photo. Kunyari, example is, this is Ariana Grande. So, if once you click that, magda-develop na siya agad. Ayan, you have to click the photo, then shake it all up para lumabas agad yung colors. Inspired to sa lumang parang Polaroid cameras na you have to shake the film. Unfortunately, sa Fujifilm, hindi mo kailangan i-shake kasi kakalat daw yung ink. So, yun. Ayan. So, click the arrow down below. And then, nandun na siya, nakasave na. So, it's up to you if you're gonna crop it, if you're gonna edit it, or post it agad. Ayan, andito na siya. Diba? Super ganda siya na nag-edit itself. And then, super daling gamitin. You just have to download, download, isa lang yun na. So, you just have to install, and then, lalabas na siya agad. And that's it. This video was just a quick tutorial. I just used one application. And also, those two tips, take a photo in the dark room or gloomy and take it with a flash para mas magaya niyo yung Instagram feed ni Ariana Grande or how she edits her vintage Polaroid feed. Ayun, super dali lang, diba? And then, it's free also. So, don't forget to like this video. And also, just a quick plug, please follow me on Instagram. I do post right there para alam niyo yung mga next videos ko or so you can vote as well on what videos you want me to do. Or comment down below, simply comment down below on what more videos you want me to do for you guys. And always remember to have a soft heart and a brave soul. Bye!
It's not for me to say